Hi everyone, I'm Sharon Smith, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can level up your presentations by using the Microsoft 365 stock image library. If you have access to Microsoft 365, then you have access to thousands of royalty-free images, graphics, even video clips that you can use in your presentations and your Word documents at work. Let's take a look. Here we are in Microsoft PowerPoint, and I have a slide deck here that I want to add some content and images to. So I'm going to come up to my Insert tab, and I'm going to click on the Pictures drop-down, and I'm going to click on Stock Images. This opens up the full library of stock images that I can use. I can search different terms to try to narrow down and find an image that will relate to my slide, or I can use the categories here to search for different images in the library. We also have icons that can be used. You can search the same way for different types of icons. There are cutout people, which are nice for if you're doing LMS slides for a corporate training presentation. We've got stickers. There are even video clips that you can use. If you hover over those, you can see the animation that goes along with that video clip. And then we also have illustrations and cartoon people. So all of this is content that you can use in your presentations for work. And so I'm going to go ahead and close out of the stock images library. All you would have to do is select an image and click on Insert, and it inserts that into the slide for you. But I'm going to close out because what I've done is create a blank slide at the end of my PowerPoint presentation and insert lots of different images and icons that I think I might want to use throughout the presentation. This just helps me save time, and then at the end I can go ahead and delete that last slide. So I've gone ahead and done that. I've selected a couple of images and video clips here that I think I might want to use in my presentation. So this image here is someone waving. That's going to be on my welcome slide. So I'm just going to hit Control-C to copy, come back up to my welcome slide and hit Control-V to paste, and then I can arrange that image anywhere I want on my slide deck. And then down here, I've got an open space for my video clip. I'm going to go ahead and add my video clip, hit Control-C, and I can add that video clip here. I can arrange that on my page and change my text box here. And then this is a little video clip that will be playing on that slide. Now, the nice thing about PowerPoint is that it does have a little bit of AI in there as the designer. If your designer tab does not automatically come up for you, all you have to do is come up here on the design tab and select designer, and this opens up a window over here that's going to generate different options for you. So if you want to have a little bit different design on your slide once you place some of the images and icons, you can look over here and see if there might be a better way or a more professional looking way to display your slide. So for example, we have lots of different options over here, and I can click on any of these and it will redesign my slide for me. The other nice thing about this is that it will generate images for me based on what I put on my slide, the content that's on my slide. So for example, if I come back and insert a new slide for title and content, and let's just say I put on this slide how to choose a password. And then I click outside of that, then the designer over here is going to read that, and it's going to make different suggestions for me based on the content that I've actually typed into that slide. So that's nice. I can actually choose an image here that pops up, and it's related to how to choose a password. So that's how you can use premium content and insert that into your PowerPoint presentations to really make them more engaging and more professionally designed. If you found this video helpful, be sure and give it a thumbs up to like it and share it with your friends. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive a notification every time I post a new video. Don't forget to visit my website at sharonsmithhr.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video.